Finding our footing, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, finding our footing. Understanding this phrase can really help non-native speakers grasp more subtle English concepts. So, let's break it down together. The term footing originally comes from the idea of standing firmly on the ground. Literally, it refers to the position of your feet and how they support you to stand steady. So, when we talk about finding our footing, we're talking about the process of gaining stability or balance, especially if we've been unstable or unsure before. Beyond the literal meaning, finding our footing is often used metaphorically. In a figurative sense, it means to become comfortable or proficient in a new situation, role, or environment. It's about gaining confidence and understanding in something that was once unfamiliar or challenging. Let's see how this phrase works in real-life contexts. Starting a new job. On your first day, everything feels new and possibly overwhelming. As you learn and adapt, you're finding your footing in your new role. Moving to a new city, relocating brings its own set of challenges. Getting to know the area, making new friends, and adapting to a new culture means you're finding your footing in a new place. Learning a new skill. Whether it's a language, an instrument, or a sport, the initial stages are about finding your footing, as you move from uncertainty to competence. For English learners, understanding phrases like finding our footing can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. It's a perfect example of how English often uses physical actions to describe abstract concepts. Recognizing and using such phrases can make your English sound more natural and expressive. Thank you for joining us today as we explored finding our footing. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth of English phrases a bit more. Remember, learning a language is its own journey of finding your footing, so keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll find your balance in no time. See you in our next video.